What is up guys, Josh from Vicrez here. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to assemble a 2016 to 2018 Camaro ZL1 1LE conversion bumper. The part number is vz101813. Without further ado, let's assemble this bumper. So first things first, we're going to be installing this grill piece into the front section of the bumper. You want to make sure you want to clip in the grill just like this. Next, we're going to be installing this grill to the upper section of the bumper right here. You want to make sure you clip in the tabs with the grill so it doesn't fly off. Third, we're going to be installing the air ducts on the side portions of the bumper. We're going to start off with the passenger side and install it. Now we're moving on to the driver's side. Now that the air ducts are installed, we are moving on to the canards. Both canards are installed. Now it's time to move on to the lip assembly. As you can see, this is the lip for the bumper, as well as two parts that are additional add-ons. It also does come with extra hardware for you to install. Now we do the same thing for the other side. Add-ons are now installed. It's time to take it to the bumper and fully install it. So now the lip is finally on, but just quick heads up guys, before you install the lip, make sure you actually remove the big grill so that the tabs on the lip can actually tuck right under it the second you install the grill. This is it guys, this is how you guys assemble the ZL1 1LE conversion bumper for the 2016-2018 Camaro. I'm not gonna lie guys, this bumper looks pretty sick. Likewise guys, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you give us a thumbs up you guys have any questions, comment down below. And lastly, make sure you subscribe. Overall, guys, we hope you guys have a great day, and we will catch you on the next one. Thank you.